Okay, y'all, I'm getting ready to burn this candle. I know normally on single wicks, I usually just throw them on the warmer, but I really want to give this one a chance. So I'm gonna try my luck and see what it do burning with the wicks lit. This candle smells so good. Oh my goodness. Hopefully this thing throw right. The scent notes is just leather and vetiver. That's the only thing it has for the scent notes. As you do see, it's a 10.5 fluid ounce candle. So yeah, let's go ahead. Got my electric lighter. Love this thing. Love it, love it, love it. Oh my goodness, so amazing. I'm not gonna trim the wicks because from what I've noticed, I mean, I could trim it a little bit, but I'm not gonna do that. From what I noticed, when you trim your wicks, it just kind of does the candle out, I think, but I don't know. I hardly ever like these candles. But we're gonna exactly see what the wick do this time. I don't want to drown the wick, so therefore I'm gonna just leave it alone. Let's light it. There we go. We got it lit. As y'all see, this thing smells so good. Amazing. Look at that. Okay, so I'll come back after a couple of hours. I'll come back and let y'all know what it's gonna what it's doing, if it's done out, if it's pulling right. I'll let y'all know all that. And again, I'm in my small room. This is probably about a 10 by 10, 10 by 11, something like that room. The room is not big at all. It's just a nice size room, just an average size room, not huge, but just a nice size room. So I'll come back and let y'all know exactly how the throw is on this single wick candle from Aldi, the release this week. So we shall see. That's what it's looking like so far. Yes, it has that big flame, but you kind of want that sometimes on your candles, in my opinion, especially on these single wicks with that's just kind of small. Yeah, so we gonna see. I'll come back in a couple of hours. Okay, y'all, I had to put this candle out before I wanted to, but as you see, it did not pull all the way out, which sucks. You know, that could be a major problem, but you know, we could always correct that problem. So now I'm getting ready to just go ahead and put this one on the warmer. As you do see, the warmer right there. I'm just gonna go ahead and put this one on the warmer just to see what it do, if it do what we need it to do, because you never know. So let's get it going. As far as the burn, me burning it, it's not a real big throw yet at all. It's just more of a average throw. I wasn't getting a lot of fragrance from this candle. So yeah, we're gonna see. Let's just put it on the warmer like I should have done in the beginning. But I didn't. I ended up burning it because I wanted to see if it would throw burning, but to me this does not throw burning like I wanted to throw. So again, let's throw it on the warmer. Okay, that's what it looked like. If you have not gotten yourself one of these candle holders from Bath and Body Works, it actually works really good with this warmer. Absolutely love it. So yeah, the candle is on the warmer. We're gonna see if it throws pretty good. So yeah, let's get this one going. All right, I'll come back in a couple of hours to let y'all know. This time I have it in the dining room, the open area on the other lamp warmer. We're gonna try it in a more open area, which I know it ain't gonna throw. It's not gonna throw good, I don't think. In the bedroom, in the little small bedroom, it threw pretty nice. I could smell it throughout the room. It's more of a fresh scent. This candle actually reminded me of something, and I'm not sure if it's giving me the dark amber and oud candle, or is it just another candle. I'm not sure, but it most definitely have a cologne like scent, more of a male cologne, masculine scent to me. I just can't put my finger on which masculine scent it is, but it is something that I've smelled before. I don't know, because as y'all do know, there's no scent notes, and we just have to go according to just what the packaging say. It just says vetiver and leather. The vetiver usually give off more of a fresh scent. As far as the leather, I don't really get like a smoky, warm, tobacco like scent in this candle. But again, I'm gonna keep it going. I'm gonna do it in here. I'm gonna put it on this lamp warmer, and we're gonna see what kind of vibes it throw in the dining room area. And I'm gonna come back in a little bit. Okay, this vetiver and leather candle has been on the warmer for a couple of hours now, and I just want to come back because I like this candle, but it is most definitely not a good candle for an open concept or a big room. This candle is very much small room friendly. It is a fresh scent. I don't really get a lot of the leather part of it, unless this leather is coming off more of like a tobacco or cigar. I get more of the vetiver. It do kind of remind me of that tobacco petal candle that Aldi has. It kind of sort of have that type of smell, if that's what the leather smell like in this candle. It more of a I don't know. I don't want to say floral, but it's giving me more of a tobacco, not a warm tobacco, more of a, let me go get that candle. Okay, this candle is kind of reminding me of this one. Of this candle, the tobacco petals, just with that vetiver note to it. It kind of have that same tobacco or floral scent in it. And I don't know, y'all know how Aldi is known for saying the candle is one thing and it smells totally different. Like I said, to me, it's giving me this tobacco petal candle. I get more of the vetiver than anything, but this is not a big room friendly candle. I highly recommend you use it on the warmer. I highly recommend you use it in a smaller room because it's not throwing. I can only smell it in this little area over where the candle is. So if you do want to use this candle in a bigger room, I highly recommend that you go or you buy two or you burn two at once. As far as packaging, the packaging is just okay for me. I just truly feel like all these single wick candles are not worth $7. I'm just saying, because one, they don't really throw. So to pay $7 for a candle that don't really throw, or to pay $7 for a candle you can only use in a smaller room, to me feels like a ripoff. I'm just saying, especially for Aldi, because we expect things to be super, super cheap at Aldi. So when you get a candle that's not really throwing like you wanted to throw, yes, you feel a little bit like you just been bamboozled. I'm just saying. So do I recommend this candle? Only if you're going to use it on the warmer, only if you're going to use it in a small room, then yes, I do recommend it, because I absolutely love the scent of this candle. This is the type of candles I like. This is giving off a fresh floral like scent. Like I said, it's just like the tobacco petal. It could be the tobacco petals like cousin or something. They're kind of sort of in the same family. So if you love the tobacco petal candle and you only grab one, or you wasn't able to find it at all, I highly recommend you go ahead and try it. If you love masculine scents or grown and sexy scents, I highly recommend this. But if you're just trying to get the candle just because it's a new release, you could wait until they mark it down. You know, just cross your fingers that this will not be sold out. But it is not a candle that you actually have to run for. And that's just my opinion. So that's going to be the end of this review. Let me know, what do you think about this vetiver and leather candle? Leave that at the bottom. Did you even pick it up? Do you think it's even worth $7? Leave that in the bottom. And I will see y'all in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe. Click the thumbs up. Leave your girl some comments. Follow me on Instagram. Also follow or use my hashtag. And I'll see y'all in the next one. All right. Peace.